similarity of triangles. Now, when are two triangles said to be similar? When they have the same shape but not necessarily the same size, which means their corresponding angles have to be equal and their corresponding sides have to be in the same ratio, or they have to be proportional. So in these two triangles, X, Y, Z are the three interior angles. So corresponding angles of this triangle and this triangle are equal. A, B and C are the sides of first triangle, and P, Q and R, they are the sides of the second triangle. So the ratio of the sides. Now here A and P are not equal as in congruency. Here A and P, the ratio of A and P will be equal to the ratio B by Q and will be equal to the ratio C by R. So if these two conditions are satisfied, the triangles are similar. Now for congruency, all three angles should be equal and all three sides should be equal. That means exactly the triangles should match with each other in angle and size. All six parts are equal. When you have to prove the triangles congruent, you don't need to prove all six parts equal. You follow some criteria. That is, either you go for SSS criteria, only prove the three sides equal, then the triangles will be congruent. Or you can use SAS criteria, that is two sides and one angle you can prove equal. Or you can go for ASA criteria. So like that you go for certain criteria based on what is given to you. Same way for similarity, you have got three criteria. One is the AA criteria. Now AA or AAA, AAA, these two are same. That is, if two angles, any two angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles of another triangle, then we can say the triangles will be similar. The next is SSS criteria. That means all three sides should be proportional. And the third criteria is SAS criteria. That means any two sides are proportional and the included angle is equal. So if A by P and B by Q, only these two ratios are equal, then the angle that is included between these A and B is Z, and angle between P and Q is also Z. So if angle Z is given equal, then also we can prove that triangles are similar. Now the symbol for similarity is this one. For congruency you put equal to sign also below it. So you will skip that sign for similarity and only this wave sign will be put. So two triangles, if they are similar, the way of writing them is triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now here the vertex correspondence is also important. That means if you are writing ABC similar to DEF, that means angle A and angle D are equal because A corresponds to D. Angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. So same way for sides, proportionality, AB upon DE. So this is the way you should write. So vertex correspondence you have to check. BC by EF, AC by DF. So here this angle A, you can see angle D and angle A are equal. Angle C and angle F, they will be equal, and angle B and angle E should be equal. Then you can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Now let's see the criteria in little more detail. AAA is the first criteria. Also you can say AA criteria, because if any two angles of a triangle are equal to corresponding two angles of the other triangle, the third angle will automatically be equal because of the angle sum property. So angle C will be equal to 180 minus A plus B, and here angle F will be 180 minus D plus E. So if A and B are equal to D and E, automatically C and F are also equal. So only two angles you need to prove equal for proving similarity. Next criteria is the SSS criteria. So here you will, if you have measurement of the sides of the triangle, then you can go for this criteria. That means here AB is 12, DE is 6, AC is 18, DF is 9, and BC is 16 and EF is 8. So you can say that DEF is double, ABC is double of triangle DEF. All the sides are double. So ratio is 1 by 2. Here 9 by 18 also is 1 by 2. 8 by 16 is also 1 by 2. And 6 by 12 is also 1 by 2. So the ratio of the sides is coming equal. So here you can use SSS criteria. The last one is SAS criteria. That means any two sides are given proportional and the included angle is given equal. So here ML and LN are given 4 and 3, and corresponding sides here SQ and RN is given. So 8 by 4 is 2, 6 by 3 is also 2. Sides are proportional and the included angle is given equal to 80 degree. So in such cases you can go for SAS criteria. That means two sides are proportional and included angle is equal. So then the triangles will be similar by SAS. These were the three criteria.